how can you turn off Find My iPhone feature in your iPhone? So this video is quite helpful and interesting also. The first step is to go on your setting. If you want to switch off or if you want to turn off your Find My device, that's a feature which finds your mobile phone by the GPS and the proxy tracker if your phone is lost or damaged. So how can you turn off that feature or that setting in your iPhone? Click on the setting option here. On the first, you can see there is my name here. I will click on my name, and on the third you can see there is option called Find My device. You will click on it, and this is already disabled in my phone. If I want to switch it on, so I can switch it on from here and switch off also. It will demand for your password. Currently I don't remember my iPhone password right now, so I can't set it up. If you have your password ready, you can set it up easily. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.